11th problem. In a map, if 1 inch is 120 kilometer, then find the distance between two cities B and C, which are 4 1 by 6 inches and 3 1 by 3 inches from the city A, which is between B and C. Okay, here 1 inch refers 120 kilometer. Here city A lies between B and C. Okay, city A lies between B and C. Okay, and then the distance between two cities we want to find here, B and C, which are 4 1 by 6 inches. Here 4 1 by 6 inches and 3 1 by 3 inches from the city A. From the city A, the distance is this one, and from the city to C, the distance is 3 1 by 3 inches. Here I want to find the distance between the city B and C. We want to find the distance between this city B and C. Okay, so if we add this one and this one, we can easily get the distance between the cities B and C. Okay, let me find the addition now. Okay, so the distance between B to A, how much there? 4 1 by 6 inches. The distance between A to C, how much there? 3 1 by 3 inches. The distance between B and C is this 4 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 3. Okay, let me do here. So, we want to write from the diagram, it is clearly understand. So, distance between B and C equal to how much there? This 4 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 3. So, I want to convert this into improper fraction. So, 25 by 6 plus here 10 by 3. Okay. So, I want to convert this into I want to simplify here. So, I can multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. It will be easy to you. If you multiply with 2, it will be 20. If you multiply with 2, it will be 6. So, this 25 plus 20, how much there? 45 by, here 6 is there given, 45 by 6. Okay. Now, see that here it's the distance between B and C is 45 by 6 inches only, but we want to find the distance. So, it must be in kilometer. Here 1 inch refers 120 kilometer. So, 45 by 6 inches refers equal to, what we have to do there? The distance is, you can say, distance equal to this 45 by 6 into 120. So, I can cancel here and here 20 times. So, which is equal to 90. So, 10 is there. So, this much of kilometer. So, I got 900 kilometers. The distance between B and C is 900 kilometer. 13th sum. If 1/4 of ragi adai weighs 120 grams, what will be the weight of 2 by 3 of the same? Here it is given 1/4 of the ragi adai is 120 gram. We want to find the weight of the whole ragi adai. Okay. So, that full ragi adai, weight of full ragi adai, we don't know about that. So, we want to find that first. Okay. So, let it be x now. Okay. So, this 1/4 of x, it's nothing but the full ragi adai. It's nothing but 120 grams. Okay. So, I can take this as 1 by 4 into x equal to 120. So, x equal to 120 into 4, which is equal to 480 grams. So the weight of full ragi array is 480 grams. But here we want to find what will be the weight of 2/3 of the ragi array. Okay, we want to find the 2/3 of this 480 grams. Okay, so here I can find weight of, we want to find weight of 2/3 of ragi array. Okay, equal to this 2/3 of 480. So I can cancel here and here. This is equal to 320 grams. Okay, the weight of 2/3 of the ragi array is equal to 320 grams.